Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to do a first impression of these brushes from Lux2 Beauty. So they sent me this and I decided to make a first impression video. If you're interested to see my first impression of these brushes, then just keep on watching. So first things first, I actually have an oval brush that I bought from Wish, I think probably 2 years ago, and I didn't like it. So this is a brush. I probably bought this for around $2 only and $1 shipping fee. So why did I stop buying the rest of it? First, I didn't like it. The bristles are very hard, they're very stiff, and it actually hurts. So when you try to brush it on your face, it kind of hurts. But I tried to use this and like brush this against something hard just to soften the bristles. Now I can use it, but you barely see me using this on a video. So the grip, when it comes to the grip, it's fine. It's like you're just brushing your hair, brushing your teeth, though it's nothing complicated. So if I have to use this, I would use this on my chest area only. Because if around my nose, it works on my nose, but it actually hurts. It really hurts. The bristles are very hard. I don't think that it's suitable for sensitive skin at all. So again, this is just a generic oval brush. It doesn't have any brand name on it. So another thing is, it is flexible. It's actually not a bad thing, because I'm actually putting enough pressure to make it bend. But if you're just brushing on your face, it's actually fine. I actually like it. So that's why I was excited to try this oval brushes from Lab2 Beauty, so I can see a difference. Like, are they the same, just the same, the generic one and this branded one, or there's actually a difference, and if it's actually worth your money. So I have this one. This is a face and body brush. The next one is, this is for full face blushing and contouring. And this one is the LUXE 6 for the face in the corner of the eyes. Okay, so it shows here that it's used for hard to reach areas. Okay. Oh, so this is good. Okay, I'll talk about it later. So another one is this Pro Don't Get Me Mad Get Even foundation brush. It's a funny name and it's actually pretty long. So this is just a flat brush that you apply your foundation with. And the next one is Pro Got Nothing to Hide concealer brush. And the very last one that I received from them is Pro We Aim to Tweeze. What's up with their names? Okay, this is Lab2 Beauty. These are tweezers. I don't think I'll be able to demonstrate this, so I really don't need to tweeze anything on my face right now. Okay, this is what I want to talk about, because at the back there's instruction and all the description. So it shows here that you can use it with skincare and your cosmetics, like your makeup. I already applied moisturizer, but I think we could try that one. Okay, so before I try this on my face using a moisturizer, I'm probably applying just a little bit. So first things first, this is really soft. Like, it's crazy. There is a huge difference compared to the generic one. This is really soft. It's crazy. Like, I can even feel the bristles. So the grip is fine. What I do, I actually like this one. It's fine. It's fine when it comes to the grip. But this, you see the shape. So your fingers actually falls directly to the curve. So it's really comfortable to handle. compared to this one, like my fingers falls flat, but it's nothing crazy. So when I brush my teeth, the same thing. It's flat and I use it like this. But this, I like the shape and it's very comfortable. So another difference that I noticed, this one is bendable and I do like that. This one is pretty stiff. Like, I'm afraid I might break it. But again, the curve is fine, so I really don't have problems with that. But these are really soft. It's not really flimsy at all. I like the matte surface. So let's try to apply a little bit of moisturizer on top of my face. Or no, I think I'm gonna put some serum and spread it using this. Okay, so I'm gonna apply this T-Cell Ampule on my face using the LUXE 10 Face and Body Brush. So it claims to apply the product over your face, neck, and shoulder with minimal effort. Let's see if that actually works. Because this brush is really big. I've never had this type of brush ever. So I apply this with my fingers. And just a little bit on my chest. Because I already put this. So this is just for demonstration purposes. So I'm gonna spread that using this. I actually like it. I actually like this. But I'm not sure if I'm going to use this when applying foundation. Probably for blending everything, what I usually do at the end of doing my makeup. But for foundation, I prefer to use a sponge. For skincare, yes, this actually works. Okay, so what I want to do right now, first I'm gonna do my eyebrows before I go straight to the face. To do my brows. So I think I'm gonna use this LUXE 6 face and eye brush. So it says here that it's also for hard to reach areas in corners of the eyes. So for this side, I'm going to use this. It's actually pretty fast. Like, it's done. And normally I use this. Wait, this is broken. So normally I use this type of brush to blend. Yeah, the other one really works a lot better and more even. Yeah, this works faster. I think I'm gonna use drugstore products for today. So for the concealer, I'm gonna use this one from LA Girl. So I don't like to use this directly to my skin, so I'm gonna put that on a palette. You can use the back of your hand if you want. And I'm gonna use this concealer brush. Okay, so it applies smoothly. anything. And after that, I'm going to blend everything using the same brush, the number 6 brush. I really like this. I think this is worth your money. Okay, I'm just gonna finish the other one. So I'm dragging it on my lids. This is gonna serve as a base for my eyeshadow. Since I'm not light skin, I'll need to have a bright base in order for my eyeshadow to show up. I really like this. So on top, I'm gonna just apply a very thin layer. Since I'm just going to cover this with foundation, I just need to have an outline. So easy to use. Okay, so my brows is done. I'm gonna go straight to my eyes. Okay, now to the face. So I'm gonna be using this L'Oreal True Match. So normally I apply it using my fingers, but this time I'm going to use this foundation brush. So I just put a thin layer inside it on my face. Oh, I like this. So for this time, I'm not going to use my sponge, just to let you see how it looks if you're just using this brush. So I'm just gonna apply one layer on my foundation. I don't like to add more. And now I'm gonna apply that on my neck. It is really soft. Like I don't have to put too much effort. It slides really smooth. Okay, so I just like everything to be sheer.